church, she does it. Y'all are some ignorant mother lovers. I tell you, y'all is not supportive to nothing. Just disrespectful.
She said Mary Kay. She walked away.
What is wrong with Mary Kay? I don't want to be in this video. I'm not saying nothing against Mary Kay. Mary okay. Mary's okay
with me.
Okay.
Mary's okay with Jerry. I need a new foundation. And so we were looking at, actually I'm looking at a few things. I was looking at Nars, I was looking at Derma Blends, and what's this Beauty Bakery?
Oh, I love Beauty Bakery.
Do you? Looking for, I need a full coverage concealer. Me and my girlfriend were talking about dewy or matte. She says I do not want matte because then I'll be cough ready. But I also don't like dewy because I felt like I was blotting my face all day.
Okay. What kind of skin do you have?
Combination.
Okay. So more
I'm dry.
Oily, okay.
And then T-zone is oil.
Oily. Okay.
Straight
What's your
oil.
name?
Cherise.
Cherise, I'm Lori. What's your name? Eva, nice to meet you. Have a seat right here.
Okay. Here we go. Which one is this?
Nars.
Okay. Is that, I can't tell. It looks kind of, it does look dewy, but it doesn't.
It looks dewy, but it looks matte at the same time, right? It's like a semi. It's like the same as the Lancome, like a semi matte.
Okay. So there are only those three. So there's a
dewy, matte, and you can have like an in between,
That's
like
it.
a natural.
Okay. Okay. All right. Good. I like it. Ooh.
That one was what's it called? New Caledonia.
You'll see
I
this.
told you.
Okay.
Lancome. So Lancome is gonna go on a little bit lighter. They oxidize while you're blending it in, so it's gonna dry down a little darker.
Okay.
It's gonna look good though.
Okay. Yeah. I do like that one better.
Yep.
Nars it is. Okay.
You gonna do that one?
Yep. Nars it is. What was that called again? What was the number again? Or name?
New Caledonia. I always forget the name.
New Caledonia. New Caledonia. Hey faves, welcome back. Living for the City. I am Cherise, and as you saw, we are on the hunt for a new makeup. So I'll start with this. I'll tell you that over the last couple months, I was like, you know what, it's time for me to just get a new makeup anyway. And it was so serendipitous because thank you, Influencer, for sending me a complimentary Urban Decay Stay Naked The Fix. So this is a new microfine powder, and it is a foundation. And so I was like, oh my gosh, perfect timing. Thank you so very much, Influencer. This was sent to me complimentary, and so I wasn't paid to do this for Urban Decay. But instead, what they asked me to do was to try it, test it, and then share my thoughts on it. So I'm doing just that. So I have the Urban Decay Stay Naked The Fixed, and my color is 80W4. I almost said 4. 80W4. And then I also picked up just recently, as you saw, at Ulta, Nars. So I've heard really good things about both of these. I'm really excited to try them, and we'll talk about them as we go through. But you know what time it is. It is our first Birchbox of 2020. First Birchbox of the year. I'm so excited to see what's inside. And so we're gonna open that as well as I talk through what happened with my Urban Decay and my Nars testing and try on. So here we go. Okay, so first Birchbox of 2020, and I don't know why it's taking me so long to figure out how to open this box, like I've never opened it before. You know, with some of the other boxes, I guess you get like try-ons for foundations and things like that. Birchbox is not that box. So, you know, when it comes to foundations, I'm usually lost. Okay? I'm usually lost. I usually have to go somewhere and kind of try things on and work through it that way and test, but I can never kind of figure it out on my own. Oh, and here's another box that opens up like a little drawer here. Remember we saw that like last time? They're doing this now. So it says it's easier to prevent dry skin than to fix it, so change your nighttime skin routine if you wake up with dry skin. So here's a little card. On the back always will tell you what you're getting in your box. I picked this box this month, and as you can see, it is about you time, me time. I am a strong advocate for self-care and you time. So this box I felt like was perfect for me and right up my alley. And so I'm really excited to see. I'm going to show you. I just opened the tissue paper. This is what it looks like inside. We'll go through this quickly. First up is Popmask Starry Eyes Warming Eye Mask. Ooh, it's got to be this one. Okay, here we go. By Popmask. This is a full size, just so you know. Its retail value is 20 bucks. This self-heating eye mask reduces puffiness and eases tension, leaving your eye area refreshed. I love me an eye mask, okay? I love me a mask, period. But give me an eye mask and we're friends, okay? We are friends. Next by PAI is a Chamomile and Rosehip Calming Day Cream. Ooh, I love it already. I'm in love. Okay, here it is. This repairing daily moisturizer has natural skin and soothing agents so that you get a calmer complexion with less redness. Love. Chamomile and Rosehip. I like that one. Very, very nice. Next up by ThisWorks, it is a deep sleep pillow spray. I actually have this one. I don't know if I have this one per se, but I do have other sprays by ThisWorks and love them. This calming pillow spray is made of a blend of lavender and chamomile that's clinically proven to help you fall asleep faster and get a good night's rest, which I also need right about now. You spray it onto your pillow before you go to bed. I love these. I'm excited to try this one. By Juara, and here is a coconut hand and nail balm. Okay, nice. You know, it's interesting. I don't use many nail balms. This moisturizing balm quickly absorbs into the nails and the cuticles to heal and hydrate skin. But you know, at this time of year, I'm constantly, you know, my hands are so dry. I'm constantly putting lotion on because I'm washing my hands regularly and it's just so dry. From the heat being on, from outside being cold, I'm dry everywhere. So next up is, oh, and that, just so you know, that this is a full size. It doesn't look like it, but it's a full size. Acure's Seriously Soothing Biocellulose Mask. I'm in. This is a first time sampling of this, okay? This is just sheet mask, and you know I love a sheet mask. It's made from fermented coconut and is infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid that soothes your skin. Love it. I'm in. So I'll let you know how this goes. Side note, just so you know, I don't know if you noticed my nails, but my nails, this is the, was that last month that we did the Ulta haul? Wish we just did again. But nail polish appliques, this is them. Tell me these don't look pretty. I mean, let me just put them up against that. How's that? Look at this. Just look at this real quick. Do y'all see my nails? Can y'all see them? Oh, God. They're so cute. I love them. Anyway, okay, I'm sorry. I digress. And give me a little bonus try in here by Hush and Hush. It is MindYourMind Dietary Supplement. 2 capsules. These melatonin-free capsules contain a blend of natural sleep aids that relax your mind and body, helping you fall asleep and stay asleep. Listen, let this work for me. It's on. Okay? I will be getting these. I love this. Wow. MindYourMind. Love that. Great job, Birchbox, for my you time. So this is really about, I felt like this was a total like self-care box, so I was all in when I saw it on there. On another note, I know you're probably like, why is Sharice looking like that? Why is she looking all crazy? That is because, again, I was doing a look for influencer for this Urban Decay. So this is how the makeup came out. And I'm going to tell you, okay. And so maybe it was me. Maybe it's me. I'm not a beauty expert. I'm not a makeup guru. I wear what I wear, and that is that. I'm the average woman who goes to work, puts on makeup every single day, 5 days a week. So it needs to be easy, it needs to be simple. I can't spend an hour in the morning doing my makeup. I don't have the time. I could barely get up. So I need something that is going to be easy, that I'm gonna understand, I can put on, and I'm out. This ain't it. This is not it. And it's me because I didn't know how to apply it. It came with a crazy little sponge on the back, and I'm gonna show you the sponge. It came with a sponge on the back, and the sponge is obviously dirty now because I just used it. It is a microfine powder, transforms skin into seamless, instant, full coverage, breathable, real skin matte finish, does not transfer, stay true color. It's water resistant. Sweat resistance is a vegan formula, which I do love. Doesn't contain animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. Long-wear vegan formula, realistic skin matte finish with moringa. I love moringa. With moringa seed extract. I'm in with that description. I'm in. I'm open to trying it. The packaging, you have me at hello. I gotta tell you, I did not know how to put it on. It did not work for me. I couldn't get it on. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. This could all be user error. This could all be user error. Okay? I'll take that. But if it's gonna be user error, then I need some instruction, Urban Decay, on how to put this on. And so I put it on like I normally would. My face was moisturized first. I put my primer on. I applied it, and I just couldn't get it. I couldn't get it on the sponge to get it onto my face, and then I got it on my face, and I had to really build it. And I'm just like, wait, if I was doing this for work, mind you, I would never go to work looking like this. But if I was doing this for work, like, I'd be late. I'd be late for work. So if you have tried the Urban Decay Stay Naked The Fix, please let me know how to apply it, and I'm gonna try it again. I promise you, I will try again. But first run, no. It's a 16-hour wear powder foundation. And the sponge, which I also love, was charcoal infused. And so I'm like, is that the problem? Was that should I use a different applicator? Like, what? Should I use a brush? Help me out here. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna try Nars, right? So, try Nars as well, because I had heard many things about this, many great things about this, and that came out great. So you tell me. You tell me. Now, I did put Nars. I didn't use a brush. I mean, that sponge, obviously, for Nars. I used a brush like I normally would. But I did the same, primer. My skin was moisturized. I used my primer. I put this on, ready to go. I put on a setting powder for this one. I didn't put it on for the other one because it's already a powder. I don't know. I'm not sure. And then I thought about it. I said, maybe I should put a foundation and then put this on top. Is that too much? And then like as a finishing powder? I don't know what I did wrong. I'm not feeling this look. Anyway, here we have it. So we have the Nars and we have the Urban Decay Stay Naked The Fix. I am totally excited about my Birchbox this month. So great job, Birchbox. I like how Birchbox is shifting and changing to what the people want. Give the people what they want. I got no hair care products. Listen, I have no complaints on the Birchbox side this month. I'm gonna be honest with you. I also want to tell you that for those people that do subscribe, I don't know if you noticed the subscriber count down below, but we're almost there. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers, which is my next milestone, okay? And so once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway. Okay? So I'm going to do a huge giveaway as soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm giving away a Birchbox subscription. I sure am. And then I'm also going to give away a couple of other smaller giveaways and prizes to my City Girl faves. Click the red button below. So that means you're gonna do a couple things. You're gonna have to like this video. You're gonna have to share this video. You should be commenting down below. This is all after you have subscribed, of course, because you have some really serious beauty goodies coming your way. I'm so excited. So let's get there. So that means you need to share this with your mom, with your sister, with your girlfriends. Make sure that they are on here and subscribing, because that means that you are going to get closer to getting your own Birchbox. Okay, so I think that is it. If you are not already subscribed, again, hit the red button below. You can feel free to follow me on my day-to-day highlights on Instagram, living_for_the_city. Or you can just like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77, whatever floats your boat. And I think that is it, babes. Until next time, be sure to like, comment, share, because we got to get to 1,000 so that you can get your next Birchbox. Hey, you, yes, you. You're going to get a Birchbox. See you next time. Bye.